Wow, just as I was wondering why Tesla's share price went from closing today at around $1,370 all the way up to $1,470 in a matter of like 30 minutes? Tesla's just announced that investors will receive a dividend of 4 additional shares for each share that they own on the 21st of August. Those shares will be distributed after trading hours close on the 28th of August, and trading will begin with these split adjusted shares on the 31st of August. So basically all that means is that if you had 1 share of Tesla, that 1 share would be split into 5 shares, reducing the value of each share by a fifth. So at the current market rate, which is around $1,460, that would be soon split into 5 shares, each worth around $290. So why did this happen? Well, a stock split is done by a company to increase the number of outstanding shares by issuing more of them to current shareholders. Splits are often a bullish sign since valuations get so high that the stock is just out of reach for smaller investors who are trying to diversify their portfolio. However, for investors who already own shares in Tesla, you might not make a lot of money immediately, but you definitely shouldn't sell your stocks because the split is likely a very positive sign. So now basically all that means is that all of a sudden a lot more people have access to Tesla shares because it would be trading at a more affordable rate compared to the current price. So what does that mean? Well, for traders like me when I started off, and for a lot of new traders entering the markets, the news would mean that it would be a lot easier for us to get our hands on Tesla shares to accumulate and to trade. This is also due to the tighter spread, which is the difference between the bid and the ask price. I don't want this video to be too long because I just want to concentrate on this one piece of news that came out a few hours ago, and I also uploaded another video a few hours ago on Tesla's future price forecast. But a lot of you who already know about the split are probably wondering, how will this affect shareholders and the company? Reason number 1 is something I just mentioned, price control. If there's a sudden increase or jump in the stock prices of a company, the split will help reduce the prices, making it more affordable for smaller investors. The second reason is price discovery. Once the stocks are split, the prices drop, making them a lot more affordable, and as a result there would be a lot more purchasing involved. Now that again drives up the stock price, and this is called price discovery. So basically the stock will be traded a lot more than it currently is, which is nothing short of absolutely amazing, considering it already has an average volume of around 9 million per day. This will of course have a positive effect on the stock's value, as obviously a lot more people have access to the share. In fact, it already has, as Tesla's share value went up by almost $80 in a span of around 30 minutes after the announcement. The biggest advantage of a stock split for an equity shareholder is the increase in his or her ability to buy more shares of that particular premium company. Let's take an example of something that happened in the past with Apple. In 2014, an Apple share was worth around $645. After the 7-for-1 split, it was worth... In 2014, Apple share was worth around $645. After the 7-for-1 split, it was only worth about $92. So if I wanted to buy, say, 100 shares of Apple before the split, it would cost me around $64,500. However, after the split, it would cost me less than 10 grand, which would be a lot more affordable for the average investor. Also, look where Apple is trading right now, just under $450, which is almost 5 times where it was after the split in 2014. And just as I was thinking that the next pit stop to shift all this momentum the other way around would be Battery Day, which is coming up next month, Tesla announces this news, and look what's just happened. Every single time the hype surrounding Tesla decreases or that bullish bubble bursts, Elon always finds a way to bring it back, and he certainly kept his word this time. If you're still on the fence about buying Tesla shares, or you'd like to know a bit more about the company and its stock history before you invest in it, feel free to check out my new video that I uploaded a few hours ago as to why you should buy Tesla shares and why its share value will be going up soon. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope that you liked the video, and I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'd also really love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below as to how the stock split will affect the company and investors.